The Tata Motors stock from 400 levels, it has come to 300 levels now. So is this a real opportunity for you to invest in this stock, or is it in a dangerous downtrend? So in this video, I'll be making this analysis in very simple way so that you can understand it and know what's happening in Tata Motors stock. And please note, this video is only for an educational purpose and this is not a trading recommendation. I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge, do WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen for more personal support. So now let's look at the Tata Motor charts. Okay, so now previously it was only Tata Motors. Now it's called as Tata Motors Passenger Vehicle, that is TMPV. Okay, so that's what the name right now for Tata Motors stock. So now let's analyze the chart. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we are seeing it in 1 day time frame, guys. Okay, so let me quickly measure how much percentage the fall has been occurred here, if you guys can see. So let me go to the measuring tool. So this was the recent high what it has made in the month of February 2026 on 27th to be precise. Okay, so from that price now where it is trading is 303. So you can see here 100 points down, and it is down by minus 25%. So the stock is down by 25% now. So what do you feel? Is it a good opportunity or not? So let me explain it to you right now. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the stock is trading at 300 level, and if we zoom out, you can see the stock is having one of an important support level somewhere close to 260 to 270 levels. So I'll just put it in 1 month time frame, so because it's a very long gap in the chart, so I'll just show it in 1 month time frame. So you can see here somewhere over here, so these are the low levels of 2022 what we are exactly seeing here, guys. So if this level takes the important support, from here we might see the stock might rebound as well. But before we talk about the recovery and the rebound, let's talk about why the stock has come down. Okay, so the stock has come down because of various reasons. That is, as you guys already know, one of that is the global tension and the war news what's happening. So by this, a lot of stocks are affected, not only this. So yes, one of the reason is the global war what has impacted. So once all this thing settles, we might see the stock might go up, so that we can get the confirmation when the nifty starts going up. And guys, mind you that you don't have to blindly invest here. You have to wait for the confirmation to happen and then invest. And also you should not invest 100% of your capital at first entry. We need to divide your entries and do. So if you guys want to learn more about the money management system and a lot of things in trading, do contact me for the personal support where you get the complete knowledge. Okay, so now as you guys can see here, the main support level is around 260 levels, and if you put it back in 1 day time frame, we can see the chart here. Okay, so where it's actually showing the momentum which is towards the bearish side. Okay, so let me just draw it to you and show you. So let me zoom the chart in here. So you can see that the stock has come down and it has taken a key support and it has gone up, and again the resistance has been hit, and again it has been pushed down, and again it went up, and again it's been pushed down. So right now the support level is somewhere close to 300 level, and if that 300 level breaks, that's when the 260 or 270 level should be actively supporting for that the stock to go up. Okay, so right now the early resistance level what we have is somewhere close to 325 to 330. If this breaks, then the next resistance level is somewhere close to 380 levels or 370 levels is what I am guessing, guys. So let's see how the Tata Motor will perform. And also, as you guys know, Tata Motor cars in the monthly sales, they're doing a very good numbers, and also their JLR thing is also some positive news has also come up. So let's see how it will perform, and of course everything will depend on the market news what's happening. So even though if the company is performing good, even though if the stocks are performing good, due to the global news and panic selling, so a lot of the stocks are in a downtrend now. So do not do panic selling until and unless you know why you are selling the stock, and also when you are buying, you should know why you're buying that particular stock or why you're investing. So of course, this is a large cap stock and it's a very good stock for the long term view and the long term investment. It's a good one to be in your portfolio, but of course, It always depends on why you're selecting the stock, and you need to know the minimum thing about why you're investing in this stock. Okay, so this is just an overview, guys. So do subscribe for more updates and more knowledgeable videos like this.